So a few nights ago, I was walking through the hair product aisle of Target and came across a strange symbol on a shampoo bottle. It looked like a bunny, but I wasn't for sure until I started further researching this project and I found out that it was a not animal tested symbol. This made me want to research it even more, and that's why today I introduce to you the impact of animal testing. You might be shocked to find out that over 100 million animals are tested on per year in the United States of America. If you think about it, that's a lot of animals. Now, by a raise of hands, how many of you own one animal? 2? 3? Well, this is almost 50 million times as many animals as what you own. This isn't even the worst. One registration for a new chemical requires 50 tests and 12,000 animals, and 92% of the chemicals tested on animals turn out to be too dangerous for humans. This is extremely cruel and depressing for those of us that love animals. As shocking as those facts were, it is even more shocking that none of this is even necessary. It proves almost nothing when you test a product on an animal, because even if it is safe for the animal, it may still not be safe for us. There are many alternatives to animal testing that include using reconstructed skin, such as what scientists may grow in a lab, using known safe ingredients, using non-animal safety tests, or using a 3D or 4D printer to create organs or any other body parts that they can test on instead of real live animals. Animal testing is extremely unnecessary and needs to stop now. These are some of the most common animals to use in testing: mice, rabbits, and monkeys. Of these three, mice are the most popular. 100 million mice are used per year because they are convenient and there are a lot of them. The second most popular animal to use are rabbits. 200,000 rabbits are used per year because they are cheap, easy to restrain, and small. After rabbits come monkeys. 70,000 monkeys are used per year because biologically they are the most like humans. There are many ways that these animals are used in testing. Here I have shown a few. For example, sometimes they will shave a spot on the animal's skin and apply the product to see if it is irritating. Other times, they will spray the product in the animal's eyes to see if it damages or even blinds the animal. Sometimes, they will have the animal inhale the product to see if it damages their nostrils, lungs, or even their brain. Lastly, they will have the animal eat the chemical to see if it makes them sick or even die. In the end, these animals pay a big price, for it may just be a small gain for humans. There are many products that are tested on animals. Here I have shown a few. For example, Mars Candy ran an experiment on rats to test the effect of chocolate on their blood vessels. They force-fed the rats by shoving plastic tubes down their throats, and then while they were still alive, cut open the legs of the rats to test the blood flow in the artery. Another example is Post-it notes. 3M tested the adhesive of Post-it notes on shaved skin of test animals to see if it was toxic to them. Vaseline is tested in the same way. Windex was sprayed in the eyes and skin of animals to see if it was irritating. Other products are Band-Aids, Iams pet food, Kleenex, and of course, cosmetics. There are many countries that do and don't allow animal testing. Here I have shown a few that do and don't. For example, Brazil, Canada, Chile, as well as the United States of America allow animal testing. Norway, Israel, and India do not allow animal testing. Many of these places have laws and regulations dealing with the treatment of animals and animal cruelty, as does the U.S. The Animal Welfare Act is the only federal law that deals with the regulations of treatment in animal testing. It was signed in 1966, which is almost 50 years ago. But unfortunately, it only covers cats, dogs, hamsters, rabbits, guinea pigs, and monkeys. It does not cover mice, rats, farm animals such as horses, or any cold-blooded animals. This means that abuse can happen despite the law. Many other states have enacted their own laws, such as California, New York, or New Jersey. There are many organizations that are helping to prevent animal testing. For example, we have NAS, or National Anti-Vivisection Society, which is helping to stop the cutting open of animals in research. Another one is Cruelty Free International. These guys are helping to stop the testing of cosmetics on animals. And lastly, we have the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine. You're probably wondering what this has to do with animal testing. Well, it is just like the others, but other aspects of it are promoting vegan diet and preventative medicine. There are many other organizations besides these that are helping to stop the cruelty and animal testing. If you are passionate about helping to prevent animal testing as I am, here are a few ways that you can help prevent it yourself. One of the ways is donating to the organizations like the ones I talked about earlier, like NAVS or Cruelty Free International. Another way is boycotting all or some goods that use animal testing. There are many products that you use every day that you could use instead that don't involve animal testing. Another way is buying products with not animal tested symbol, such as the one I've shown here. Lastly, you could send petitions to your representative, asking on new laws on ways to prevent animal testing. These are all great ways to prevent animal testing, and I hope in the near future you will consider using some. But lastly, I have the golden rule number 2. Treat animals the way that you would want to be treated, and remember that they have feelings too. Thank you.